If you're investing in crypto, you absolutely must use a wallet to store your assets. This is why blockchains were invented. And in this video, I'm going to go through the best hardware and software wallets, plus some extra tips as well. There are two types of wallet that you can use, and it really depends on what you're invested in, what type of investor that you are, and what you need from a wallet as well, and how much you want to spend. Also, I'll leave video guides for all of the wallets that I mentioned in this video down in the description below. Other links to what I'm mentioning here as well, all in the description, plus the timestamps for this video. There are three main types of wallets. You have software wallets, hardware wallets, and paper wallets. Paper is where you literally take the details of your wallet and print it out on paper. Not a lot of people use these days because it's, very inconvenient, and actually hardware wallets are so amazing these days that they give you kind of the best of both worlds when you can actually link them up with software wallets as well. So let's go over the best types of software and hardware wallet, and I will tell you which type of user these are best for. Now, for software wallets, these are otherwise known as hot wallets. These are applications, right? So if you have a smartphone or you have a browser like Chrome or Brave, you can install these wallets onto those. Now, these are applications, and so they are very easy to use. They're also free. Like, you can get all of these for free, right? So you should not be paying for a software wallet ever, and download them on your devices. These are free and easy. Some really good examples are Trust Wallet and MetaMask. These are probably the best two that I would recommend. Now, it depends which blockchain you're using as to which crypto wallet that you might want to use. And so we'll go through those and some of the specifics about that. Now, with hardware wallets, these are physical devices, right? I have one right here. I use hardware wallets. I use a Ledger Nano X. Again, if you want to see tutorials and video guides and you want to find out about hardware wallets, links in the description to everything. But these are physical devices that keep your keys offline. So when you have a software wallet, what happens is that the keys to your wallet, so essentially like the password and everything, and the ability to use that password to actually spend the assets, the crypto, that's kept on your device. So that's the downside of software, is that your keys are kept on the device. Now, that isn't usually a bad thing, but obviously it leaves you more open to getting hacked or phished in some way. Now, with hardware wallets, the keys to your wallet are held offline in this device. And so the only time that you actually use those keys is when you physically plug the device in and then physically see the transaction and press OK on the device. This is obviously, a little bit more work and a little bit more annoying in terms of if you want to send crypto or if you use DeFi, definitely an extra step, but it's much more secure in that way. And so, yes, you do have to pay a little bit for these devices as well. But if you are investing any sizable amount in crypto, this is absolutely necessary. And then you can link these up with software wallets to get all of the usage that you want out of crypto. The most popular software wallets are right here, and you can use them across your phone or your browser. Just open a wallet and then you can reload that wallet on all of your devices. So the most popular are MetaMask, Coinbase Wallet, Trust Wallet, and Crypto.com DeFi Wallet. All of these, as you can see, so Crypto.com is obviously built and maintained by Crypto.com. Trust Wallet is Binance, Coinbase Wallet is Coinbase, and MetaMask is actually maintained by Consensus, which are the private profit arm of Ethereum. So all of these are maintained by companies, but all of these wallets are completely decentralized, meaning that you have your wallet, they don't know anything about your wallet. It's just a blockchain wallet that you have and keep control of. Now, depending on which wallet that you have, it may or may not support different types of coins. MetaMask, for the time being, only supports Ethereum-based tokens. So that's Ethereum and then all of these coins. There are many tokens that support Ethereum networks or EVM, and so you can put them all into one wallet. Now, MetaMask in the future, I think, is adding support for Bitcoin as well. Coinbase Wallet, Trust, and Crypto.com DeFi, they should all support various different coins. You can go to the wallet main page and see which coins that they actually support. So I'll show you that right here for Trust Wallet. Come to the website, have a look, see the assets that they support, and make sure that it supports the one that you actually want to use. And they also have different options for using different networks as well. So Trust Wallet, as I said, is Binance's. So if we look at Trust Wallet right here on my phone, you can see they support many different coins over different networks, including Solana, tons of Binance Smart Chain, other networks, and also Bitcoin as well. So completely free to download, and just check which wallet that you want to use with the assets that you want to hold on these wallets. Every single blockchain and crypto out there will have an official wallet that you can use and download for free to take self-custody of your assets. So I'll show you how easy that is though. I've got my Trust Wallet here. Trust Wallet have actually just launched a browser version of Trust Wallet. It's usually on the smartphone, but I'll show you here. Very simply, you can just press receive, and as long as the coin is supported, press it. So Binance Smart Chain right here. I now have my wallet address. I press copy address, go to my Binance and just withdraw, paste that in as an address and withdraw the BNB coin. Now it's going to take a few minutes to get through, but I now have self-custody of my assets right there, and no one can do anything to them without my say so. If you're investing larger amounts in crypto, then a cold wallet or a hardware wallet is a must. It takes your private keys and stores them offline. So this just has an air gap between you and anyone else trying to phish you or hack you in any way. Now, cold wallets like Ledger and Trezor, these are really the two leading brands in the industry, and they're much better now than they were at actually linking up with hot wallets, and they have software for themselves as well, like Ledger Live. I've got tutorials on these, so check those in the description as well. Some key tips to buying a hardware device. Absolutely 100% make sure that you're buying it from the official store. They send worldwide, and obviously if you get one of these that has been tampered with in any way, like secondhand or anywhere else, you just can't be sure that it hasn't been loaded up somewhere already. Right? So if the wallet has been loaded up already and you use it, then the other person is going to have all of those details and be able to see all of your coins. So just buy from the official store, links in description below to those, and make sure that everything is fresh and you're not reloading any wallet. So the box should come through totally fresh, and you can actually check as well, plug it in, and you can check on Ledger Live anyway that it's an official device that hasn't been loaded beforehand. Hackers cannot access your private keys because your private keys are offline and you sign all transactions on the device. It can be a pain because it's a hardware thing and you have to plug it in. But like I said, some of the devices are actually much better. I'll just show you them here. So this is Ledger Nano S Plus and Ledger Nano X. I've got tutorials for these in the description. Nano X is my preferred because it has Bluetooth. That means you can link it up with your smartphone. So you can actually have Ledger Live on your iPhone and through Bluetooth actually sign transactions. So you don't need to be near a computer. For the Nano S Plus, you do need to plug it directly in. So you can't use it with an iPhone. You can use it with a computer or an Android phone via an OTG cable. So that's up to everyone to look through these. I think Nano X is worth the extra money just to go and have that. You can also see what blockchains they support in terms of the crypto coins and everything. Actually, the Nano X really is just for Bluetooth and that connectivity. You don't have to have that though. They both support a very similar amount of coins. All of the major coins can be on here. Ledger Live is great as well because within Ledger Live, there are many things that you can do now. So they actually support a lot of DeFi applications that you can use to maybe lend out your coins on DeFi if that's up to, if that's something that you want to do, whilst keeping all of your coins in your ledger. So it's a great thing. Trezor as well. They have two devices, the Model T and the Model 1. The Model T has a touch screen and there's a few different options right here. So you can see which one is best for you. But Ledger and Trezor really are the leading two players in the industry. So like I said, I personally use Ledger, but you can see which one is best for you. As someone who invests in crypto and uses DeFi, I always use cold wallets and just link it up with a hot wallet. So you can use something like a Ledger and then link it up with MetaMask so that your wallet in Ledger is viewable in MetaMask. You can then interact with DeFi applications like Aave, Uniswap, and all of the decentralized exchanges with MetaMask, but your assets are kept on that ledger. That's for me the best way to do things. You have the ultimate safety of the cold wallet, but then you can just link it up very easily using MetaMask to actually go ahead with DeFi. Now, if you don't want to buy a hot wallet, then software wallets obviously are a better option than leaving it on the exchange. And this depends on how much money that you have and how often that you use DeFi. But Coinbase Wallet and Trust Wallet, like I said, will do a great job here across multiple chains, giving you a great service if you just want to take custody of your assets or if you want to use some DeFi applications as well. Specific video guides for all of these wallets I'll leave in the description for you, plus the links to find out more as well. I'm James with MoneyZG. Cheers for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.